Oh, yeah.
Oh, hi, so good, let's go.
Meanwhile, Roll and Tony became two SWAT officers. Spotting weapons in front of them, they ran over to check them out.
Wow, beautiful. Oh, yeah.
The two SWAT officers selected their weapons and set out on a mission. Two soldiers rushed forward and opened fire upon seeing the SWAT officers, causing them to dodge. Roll and Tony quickly charged out, shooting at the two soldiers who also fled. The battle was extremely intense. Alex entered the game as another SWAT officer. Spotting some weapons nearby, he went over to retrieve them. Alex took cover behind a pile of bricks and observed the fierce firefight. He raised his weapon and shot one soldier, wounding him. Roll glanced around and seeing no one else decided to shoot the wounded soldier, killing him.
Goodbye.
Alex pulled out a frying pan, snuck up behind Roll, and knocked him out instantly.
That's bad. That's bad.
Meanwhile, Tony was still fighting the remaining soldiers. They continued exchanging gunfire. Alex suddenly appeared behind Tony, took out a knife, and hurled it at him, severely injuring the SWAT officer. The soldier walked up to Tony and shot him dead on the spot. Alex then pointed his gun at that soldier and shot him dead. Back in the game, Jack and Ben now became SWAT officers.
Let's go.
Roll and Tony turned into soldiers.
Yeah. Money gun.
As usual, Alex entered the game as a SWAT officer on his own side, not aligning with anyone else. All the players geared up, ready for battle.
Hi, let's go.
Hey, match.
Wow, sweet food. Hey.
Huh? Okay.
Okay.
Jack and Ben split up. Ben ran out and spotted a soldier open fire, forcing the soldier to duck. The The soldiers then rushed forward, firing back at Ben, who flipped to dodge the bullet. Alex, meanwhile, was collecting all sorts of equipment, from guns to a frying pan. Looking down, Alex saw a soldier shooting at a SWAT officer. He dropped his frying pan onto Ben's head, causing the SWAT officer to stumble. The soldier approached Ben. Alex also climbed down from the building. The soldier decided to knock Ben out immediately. Alex came over, shot the soldier in the leg, and then killed him on the spot.
Goodbye.
That left Jack and the remaining soldier exchanging gunfire with each other. Alex appeared once more, silently passing by so the soldier would notice him. Jack took the opportunity to rush forward and wound the soldier. Jack turned around and saw Alex. They began a fierce fight. Alex's knife ended up killing the last soldier.
Oh my god.
Now, only Jack and Alex remained. They attacked each other
Hit it,
relentlessly.
Come on.
Are you okay? Kill me.
Damn it.
After a tough struggle, Alex gained the upper hand.
Okay.
He tossed a bomb at Jack, and when it exploded, Jack was killed.
Yeah.